Hey guys, welcome. And I'm back, and I was quite busy in doing a couple of things. Well, yeah, a couple. And last night I did do some night street photography in Bania Square, which is a great place to do some street photography. And so it was a great place to do some street photography, but I did it at night. So I wanted to show you guys the street photography in Dubai at night. Hey, if you want to see more videos, like and subscribe. Leave a like and leave a comment. It really helps. Love you guys. I'm here now in the streets of Bania Square, and it's like 37, 38? I'm not sure. But it sure is hot. And doing a bit of street photography with my bike and all, with my helmet and some reflectors. I'm going to show you some night street photography with my FUJIFILM X100 with the TCL X100. Yeah. And I'll be doing this most of the time because nighttime is mostly the time I am available in going out for street photography. But I will also do some morning street photography or some afternoon where daylight, where you can see daylight as well. There's a subject. Ooh. Huh. Got something. It's shady, huh? Oh, jeez. Photography here. Not if I would actually do like right here.
What do you? Yeah. Very handsome. Ah, very good looking, huh? Much for the ninja skills. Pareo.
And to be honest, I kind of like night street photography because you can actually, isolate your subject when doing your street photography. Because, for example, you're taking a shot of a store and it's all dark and there's only the stores lit up. It's like, I like doing those kind of photography, and where you actually isolate the subject that you want to shoot. And one of the fun things of doing street photography at night is the colors. This color scheme, it's actually, you can actually do a lot of things. Like you can actually play around with the colors because there'll be colors coming everywhere from the traffic lights, from the car lights, and also from the stores that you pass by. So it was a very long walk, and I finally made it home, and it was a nice walking around again, taking street photography, and I kind of like it. Kind of gave me the urge to shoot again the street. So I'll be doing more of these street photography around Dubai. There are more streets to be found. Well, that's it. This is my street photography in Albania Square. Hope you guys like it. If you made it this far to the video, leave a like and comment in the video and subscribe.
Thank you guys. Love you.